Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I will be teaching you how to solve question number 10 and 11 from the exercise 8.1. This is from the chapter Trigonometry for class 10 students. This is from NCERT syllabus. Question number 10 is, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm, PQ is 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Consider this right triangle. Let us name this as PQR. It should be right angled at Q. So the right angle is at Q. Okay. So now let us name this as PQR. You can also name this as P here, Q and R. The values, it should be with respect to P. So the angle theta will be at here P. Now we have to determine the sides. QR is opposite side. Now opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse and this side PQ is adjacent side. Given in the question is PQ value, that is 5 cm. The next PR plus QR is equal to 25, that is this length hypotenuse plus QR, this one, together they make 25 cm. Now we have to find each length individually. So let us take PR as X. As we don't know this value, let us take this as X. So what happens to QR? So when they are together, when they make 25 cm, so now QR will be 25 minus X. Am I right? So when you subtract this value from 25, you will get this answer. With the help of all this information, we are going to find the sides. First step, let PR is equal to X. So then QR is equal to 25 minus X by Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR, using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the theorem? PQ square plus QR square is equal to hypotenuse square. PR square. Okay. Now what is PQ? PQ is 5 square plus QR is 25 minus X. 25 minus X square, which is the whole square. That is equal to PR square. That is X here, X square. Now expand it. 5 square is 25 plus. This is A minus B the whole square formula, which is A square. That is 25 square. Okay. A square plus B square. What is B square? This is X. X square minus 2AB. So 2 into 25 into X. That is 2 into 25 is 50, 50x. So when you expand, this is the answer. That is equal to X square. Now we can find this 25 plus 625. Bring all the variables to the opposite side, which is equal to X square minus X square. So I am bringing this X square to the opposite side and also this minus 50x to the opposite side. It will become plus 50x. So X square and X square will be 0. Now add this, 650 is equal to 50x. So now we need X value, that will be 650 divided by 50. Okay, that is 13. X is equal to 13. Now X value will be 13 here. This is 13 centimeter. What will be QR now? QR will be 25 minus 13. That is QR is equal to 12. So we have got all the three values, PQ, QR and X. X is nothing but PR. So that is PR is equal to 13 centimeter. We have got the values of all the three sides. That is here 25 minus X, that is 12 here. 12 centimeter. This is 5. Now it's very easy for us to find the three ratios. What are they? One is sin P. Sin P is opposite side. So what is the opposite side? This is opposite QR by PR. What is QR? QR is 12 and PR is 13. 12 by 13. This is sine P. Okay. Now we have to find cos and tan. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent here is 5 centimeter. Adjacent here is PQ. By hypotenuse is PR, which is equal to 5 by 13. This is cos P. The last one, tan P. What is the opposite side? It is QR by adjacent side is PQ. QR here is 12 and PQ is 5, which is 12 by 5. This is tan P. So we have got all the three ratios here. This is an easy sum. Let us move on to the next one, question number 11. Question number 11 here is state whether the following are true or false. We have to justify our answer. First subdivision here is the value of tan A is always less than 1. Whether it is true or false, let us check. Consider this right triangle ABC. Tan A is equal to, that is opposite side by adjacent side, which is BC by AB. Now if it is less than 1, then the numerator should be smaller than the denominator, that is AB. We have solved in many sums that BC is greater than AB, that is it is not necessary BC should always be smaller than AB. Nowhere any condition is given like that. So BC can be greater or opposite side can be greater or adjacent side can be greater. Only thing is the hypotenuse is the only side which is longer than the other two. So this statement is definitely false. Second subdivision here is secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Now take this same triangle. Secant A is 12 by 5, which is secant is the reciprocal of cos, which is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse here is AC by adjacent side is AB. Now when we equate this, AC will be 12 and AB will be 5. This statement is really true because hypotenuse is greater than the adjacent side. This is true. Now the third one, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. So let us discuss all the 6 trigonometric ratios and their short forms. Sine will write as SIN, sine. Cosine, the short form is cos. For tangent, the short form is tan, whereas for cosecant, the short form is cosec. Whereas secant is SEC and cotangent will write it as cot. Now here the question mentioned is cosecant of angle A is cos. Now cosecant, this one, the short form is cosec. It is not cos. This statement is false. Now the next one, the fourth one, cot A is the product of cot into A. So cot is the ratio with respect to A, with reference to the point A. We are referring this ratio, that is cot A. It is not cot multiplied by A. This is wrong. So therefore cot A is not a product of cot into A. It is just the angle is with respect to A. So this statement is also false. The final subdivision is sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. So let us consider the same triangle. Theta is here. So sin theta is given as 4 by 3. As we know, sin is opposite side by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC is the hypotenuse. So when we equate this, BC, that is the opposite side is 4 here and the hypotenuse AC is 3. So it is definitely wrong because AC, the hypotenuse, should always be the longer than the other two sides. whereas 3 is smaller than 4. Definitely this statement is also false. That's all. Now we have come to the conclusion of this exercise. Hope you must have understood all the problems. So keep practicing. Let us see in the next exercise in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Keep practicing.